The therapy using permanent magnetic fields is an ingenious invention from the renowned scientist and specialist for physiology, Dr. Jordan Petrow from Rostock in Germany.
There are therapies using electrically powered magnetic fields, and caution should be exercised here because they belong in the hands of a doctor. But there are also currentless, alternating polar magnetic field therapies, which have no side effects at all, which are recommended by physicians and which the patient can use at home. An alternating polar magnetic field therapy works like a power generator. There is an alternating polar magnetic field, and it is cut by a wire cage. This is how electric current is produced, and we use this in our daily lives everywhere. The alternating polar magnetic field used in this therapy are to be seen as a constant magnetic source for the body. For instance, a comparable magnetic source, such as the Earth's magnetic field. This is the reason why there are no side effects. However, if blood is exposed to the magnetic fields, something amazing happens. As blood is conductive in terms of electrodynamics, electromagnetic forces are generated in the blood, or let's say, many eddies of electromagnetic forces. The blood is regenerated. Red blood cell clots are dissolved, and the blood becomes less viscous and is replenished with oxygen. The magnetic field therapy can be used in all diseases. Especially the currentless magnetic fields therapy is very effective in relieving all kinds of headaches or back tensions. I know of no other therapy to be more appropriate to regenerate the invertebral discs. I would always recommend the currentless magnetic field therapy if patients had any disc symptoms. In this case, there is no better therapy on the market than the magnetic field therapy.
Christine swears by her Biorelax magnetic field mattress topper. The young woman suffered from migraines for a long time, and no doctor could help her. Strong painkillers relieved her pain for a short period of time, but they could not heal her. A friend recommended the Biorelax magnetic field mattress topper to her. When she lay down on the mattress topper for the first time, she felt a soothing and relaxing warmth. Today, the young woman is completely painless and feels much more energetic. She does not want to live without her mattress topper. This is Bernard Klein from Bremen, the developer of the currentless Biorelax magnetic field systems, made in Germany.
Well, since 1983, I've been concentrating on the topic of magnetic field in medicine. First of all, I read about what magnetic fields are said to be able to do. Then, I immersed myself into the topic and was so fascinated by it that I wanted to know all about it. But then I noticed that some of the products on the market had some shortcomings. I mean, they did not meet the requirements. You could say it seemed like charlatanism, where window glass is sold as eyeglass. What I want to say is, the people do not really know what matters in magnets. Neither the magnetic field strengths, nor the pull gaps, nor the penetration depth are taken into account. Now, these are some of the major shortcomings. Therefore, I started developing my own stuff and made my own experiences with the pull gaps. At the beginning, I noticed that the distance between the poles was too small, and therefore the penetration depth wasn't deep enough. I then sat down with some expert physicists and had them calculate the pole gaps. Between 5 and 7 millimeter is optional, and had them build anew. And we have gained some experiences in practice, also in my own family, that you would not believe if I told you. We all swear by them. The fields do not dissipate with time because they are permanent fields. That means that we can give a long life guarantee on efficiency and permanent use. They cannot be used up. You neither need any sockets nor electricity. And my whole family sleeps on them because they improve the blood circulation at night. You're more energetic during the day, and if you suffer from sleep apnea, it would be important, as a breathing apparatus can only provide as much oxygen into the bloodstream as there are oxygen carriers available. And when the blood cell clots are discovered, more oxygen can be transported. That means also the particular pressure is better. The performance of nerve cell can be improved, which could initially lead to more pain signals, but this stops soon after. The fastest results can be noticed in sleep disorders because we have reaction of the vegetative nervous system. If there have been wound healing disorders for several years, now the wounds will start to heal because the cell, having more energy now, starts the healing process again. The muscles have a much better blood supply so that the tensions will decrease and decompress the spinal cord, i.e. less back pain. Intervertebral disc tissue is regenerated, i.e. in 1996 I had a serious car accident and between the 5th and 6th neck vertebrae, the disc tissue slipped out of the left side of my cervical spine so that I felt numbness in these 2 fingers. Today, I have no problem anymore. It regenerates completely. Actually, it is suitable for all diseases, as each cell needs oxygen and nutrients. And if there is an increased supply and a better exchange, the cell energy increases, and thus also the cell performance, no matter whether it's a skin cell, and strictly speaking, it is even better than the most expensive anti-wrinkling cream, as the skin tightens thanks to the increased blood circulation. That means that there is not a single organ in the body that does not benefit from a better supply of oxygen and nutrients. The optical nerve cell is able to see better. The hearing cell can hear better. It is for the complete body when you lie down on it.